बाकी लोग तो पता नहीं कहाँ हैं भी कि नहीं है।
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग शीश।
Good morning, ma'am.
मॉर्निंग याशिका।
Good morning, ma'am.
परिधि।
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग वेदांत। वेदांत, आर यू स्टूडेंट इन द क्लास?
No, ma'am. I just took admission.
You just took admission.
Yes, ma'am, for 11th.
You are in 11th? Which 11th?
Ma'am, Chanakya.
What are the subjects you have opted? Vedant,
I'm commerce with IP.
commerce with I. Okay. Just a minute. Give me a second. I am joining you people. Laptop. Students, Vedant.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you were in class 10th.
Yes, ma'am.
So why you joined so late?
Because I'm not in town right now, so it was late for me to take admission.
Agreed. How are you all, dear students?
Fine, ma'am.
You all are fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great, great. Okay. I have taken the attendance of yours. मुझे याशिका नहीं याशिका नहीं परिधि, मुझे 15 के बाद का अटेंडेंस आपके पास है क्या? 15
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have all the days.
यू हैव ना? बस ठीक है, तो मुझे जरा फॉरवर्ड करना बेटा सारे अटेंडेंस।
Yes,
अटेंडेंस शीट बनानी है।
मैम 15 के बाद से ना?
हाँ, मतलब जितने अटेंडेंस है सारे भिजवा दो।
ओके
जब से
मैम।
क्लासेस शुरू हुई, क्योंकि तब से तुमको ही दिया है मैंने अटेंडेंस का काम ना।
यस मैम।
तो और तुमने एक भी क्लास मिस तो किया नहीं है परिधि, तो यू सेंड मी ऑल द अटेंडेंस।
मैम मैंने बस एक दिन मिस किया था, उसका अटेंडेंस मैं कशिश से ले लूंगी, बाकी है मेरे पास।
ओके ओके ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। ओके, मुझे रिव्यू कौन देगा लास्ट का? हम लोगों ने यूटिलिटी एनालिसिस कंप्लीट कर लिया था, हमने आईसी कर्व शुरू कर दिया था, जहां पे मैंने तुम लोगों को आईसी के अजम्पशंस, आईसी कर्व क्या है वो मैंने बताया था। एम आई राइट परिधि?
यस मैम।
Okay, what else I've taught you people? I was about to start with the properties of IC, am I right? Am I right, dear? Am I audible to you people?
Ma'am.
I can hear the last one line.
So I'm not able to hear you people. What are you saying?
You are audible, ma'am.
Yes, I'm audible now.
Okay, just I wanted to confirm ki have I explained you about the indifference map? Indifference map.
No,
I just
ma'am.
explained
No,
you
ma'am. No,
about
no,
the
ma'am.
I just explained you about the tabular sheet.
Ma'am, we just completed the assumptions yesterday. 6
No,
points of
not
assumption.
yesterday. Before it's not only
Like,
assumption. I believe I've explained you about IC also. What is IC? IC मैंने समझा दिया था बेटा, जहां तक मुझे याद है. IC curve क्या है? Marginal rate of substitution and all that stuff. IC curve क्या है? Okay, I'll just wait a minute. I'm just presenting my screen to everyone. I hope I'm presenting to everyone.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. See this combination A, B, C, D, E, F. I think I have explained this, right? Am I right?
Ma'am, can you explain it once again, if that is fine with you?
Okay. Fine. I'll do it. Wait a minute. Okay, see, I explained you this content, but still, again, I'm explaining you marginal rate of substitution is one of the very important content here in the IC curve. Okay, this curve, can you see my arrow moving?
Yes, ma'am.
So this arrow shows a different combination of two different commodities. Okay, this different combination of two different commodities. Two different combination means, like if you see combination A, 16 units of Y and 1 unit of X, right? So this goes on. अलग अलग combination है. यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे 16 units of Y and 1 unit of X. अगर next combination B देखोगे तो you have 11 units of Y and 2 units of X. And then you see the third combination, 6 units of Y and 3 units of X. So when you join all these points, a curve is being made which is convex to the origin. And apart from that, you can see this curve shows that all the combinations, whether A, B, C, D, E, F, all these combinations on this curve or any of the other combination but on this curve gives the same level of satisfaction. They are not different from each other. They are indifferent from each other. Like if A gives you around 70 utils, then D also gives you 70 utils. B gives you 90 utils, so E also gives you the 90 utils. It is in this manner. Like what Higgs wants to explain is this curve. What is the reason that this curve gives the same level of satisfaction? Why? Because see, whatever the utility you are deriving by consuming 16 unit and you are sacrificing for extra 1 unit, that utility shifts to that commodity. Okay, so same number of utility you are going to get from you are going to get by consuming 1 more unit of X. So this is what is called your IC curve. So keep one thing in your mind always, that IC curve gives you the same level of satisfaction, whatever the combination, but it should be on the IC curve. Okay, the points on IC gives the same level of satisfaction. And one more very important thing, as you go on extending your extra unit, you can see that the sacrifice goes on declining. The sacrifice goes on declining. The sacrifice goes on declining. I hope this much is clear to everyone.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
this clear to everybody? Today, how many students are there? 17 students in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Great. I'm so happy. Now, the next very important point, what I'm explaining you is called indifference map. This indifference map is again one of the very important, what do you say? One of the very important characteristics or properties of IC or features of IC. IC curve, you can see this IC1, IC2, IC3, IC4. Is it visible to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So this is also known as a family of indifference curve, you know, number of indifference curve in a x-axis and y-axis. So it is a family of indifference curve is called a indifference map, number of indifference curve. And this indifference curve shows a different combination of two goods preferred by the consumer and which is based on the consumer scale. अगर आप IC1 में देखोगे, again two different combinations. But IC1 में whatever the combination you will be taking, that give you the same level of satisfaction. But if you move to IC2, keep one thing in your mind, as your combination will move from lower to higher, your level of satisfaction increases. This is what is actually shown by the IC map. That as why? Because the consumer is now consuming both the more number of both the commodities. अगर आप यहाँ देखोगे तो यहाँ पर क्या है? He is consuming more number of both the commodities. He is getting more level of satisfaction. If he will move to a higher IC, IC3, still he's going to get a maximum level of more satisfaction. If he moves to IC4, more level of satisfaction. So this IC map is when you'll be moving towards right, gives you a higher level of satisfaction. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very much clear. Now come to the next property. IC curve is downward sloping to the right, left upward to right downward. Okay. Any downward sloping curve expressing the basic idea that if the quantity of one commodity is subtracted, then the quantity of the other good has to be increased. It means that if you want to have one commodity, then you have to sacrifice the other commodity. You have to sacrifice, you have to forgo, you have to compensate the other commodity so that you can have another commodity for extra units, so that your utility level can remain same. Now, if it is because if the quantity of one good is reduced, then the quantity of other good is increased. Indifference curve must be downward sloping. जब भी हम एक को सैक्रिफाइस करते हैं ताकि हमें दूसरा कमोडिटी मिल सके, तो हमेशा ध्यान रखना the curve is downward sloping from upward to right. That is what is your sloping downward. And what is the reason? That for one extra commodity we have to compensate the other commodity, we have to sacrifice the other commodity, we have to forgo the other commodity. Now, why is it convex to the origin? What is the reason it is convex to the origin? That is the slope of the IC curve. Okay. Now, an indifference curve is convex to the origin because of the diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Now, what is this diminishing marginal rate of substitution? It is a slope of IC curve, which is also known as a marginal rate of substitution. What actually denotes? ये already मैंने बता दिया. ये बताता है कि as we are going to substitute x for y, as we are going to substitute x for y, the substitution between two goods goes on decreasing. Decrease होता रहता है along with the curve. It goes on. बस आधे घंटे मतलब 20 मिनट. हाँ क्यों? अरे रुको यार, मैं प्रेजेंट कर लूँ. Okay. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, I'm so sorry disturbance, क्योंकि मेरे घर में एक बहुत बड़ा डिस्टर्बेंस एलिमेंट है जो बात बात में मेरे को डिस्टर्ब करता रहेगा.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या यस मैम? कि मेरे घर में डिस्टर्बेंस एलिमेंट है ऐसे है शीश?
Yes, ma'am.
नथिंग बेटा, नथिंग. मैं थोड़ा सा तुम लोगों को 5-10 मिनट पहले ही छोड़ दूंगी. मुझे थोड़ा सा बाहर जाना है एंड देन आई हैव टू कम बैक विद इन 10 to 20 minutes. आई हैव अनदर क्लास इन अमर्त्य. तो मैं तुम्हें थोड़ा सा और पढ़ा के आई एम गोइंग टू लीव यू पीपल. ठीक है? नाउ कम टू द कॉन्वेक्स टू द ओरिजिन. समझ में आया? डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग और कॉन्वेक्स टू द ओरिजिन में डिफरेंस क्या है? कोई मुझे बताएगा? क्या बताता है? क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों में? डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग और कॉन्वेक्स टू द ओरिजिन में क्या डिफरेंस है? Who will explain me this? मैंने ऑलरेडी तुम्हें बता दिया. कॉन्वेक्स टू द ओरिजिन एंड डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग में डिफरेंस क्या? दोनों ही बता रहा है कि डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग है, वी हैव टू सैक्रिफाइस, बट स्टिल क्या डिफरेंस क्या है वो मैंने बताया तुम लोग को अभी. जस्ट मैंने बताया डिफरेंस. नहीं बता सकता कोई? Anyone in the class? Sheersh, you want to say something? हाँ बेटा. Okay, Paridhi Bambani. Good, Paridhi. Very good. Okay बेटा. Explain करो.
When the difference is, it is downwards because production of both the goods together cannot be raised. One will go up and the other will go down, so it will be downward sloping.
वो तो है ही, दोनों में वही सेम है. वेट अ मिनट परिधि, दो, हाँ ठीक है, सॉरी, एक्सप्लेन बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
That's it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kashish, anything you want to add?
I would like just, it was a small point. I don't know if it's correct. Like it is downward sloping. The reason was that you want one extra unit of a commodity and you sacrifice other, but the next IC is convex to the origin. The point was because of diminishing marginal rate of substitution. It refers to the rate at which consumer is willing to substitute one good for the other. So the rate is missing in the first one. That is, it is
Exactly. Here, diminishing marginal rate of substitution, which shows that whatever the consumer is compensating, for every unit, it goes on decreasing. That is why the curve is convex to the origin. Now, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, Paridhi, now? Is it clear, Paridhi? What happened? Am I audible or not?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
See, here it is, convex to the origin. Delta Y, we are sacrificing for delta X. So as we go on sacrificing, that sacrifices decreases. Okay? Yeah, देखो. He is willing to give up less and less of Y for an additional of X. That is called delta TUX upon delta X. Okay. Now the another very important property is called two curves do not intersect each other. दो कर्व्स जो हैं वो इंटरसेक्ट नहीं हो सकते. दो कर्व्स इंटरसेक्ट नहीं हो सकते. क्यों नहीं हो सकते? अरे क्यों नहीं हो सकते? दो कर्व्स इंटरसेक्ट नहीं हो सकते. देखो मैं तुम्हें एक एग्जांपल बताती हूँ. A इक्वल टू B. ओके, मैं जरा इरेज कर देती हूँ इसको. मैं यहाँ पे बताती हूँ. A इक्वल टू B है ना, एंड B दिख रहा है सबको, इक्वल टू C.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now A should also equal to C. ऐसा होना चाहिए, होना चाहिए ना. अगर A 10 है तो B भी 10 है, अगर B 10 है तो C भी 10 है, तो यानी कि A 10 है तो C भी 10 है. पर यहाँ पर वो सिचुएशन नहीं है. See here, A is lying on IC1 and C is lying on IC2. तो आपका IC1 का सैटिस्फैक्शन लेवल ज्यादा है कि IC2 का लेवल ऑफ सैटिस्फैक्शन ज्यादा है? ऑफ कोर्स IC2 का लेवल ऑफ सैटिस्फैक्शन ज्यादा है. अगर A is equal to B और B is equal to C, तो A must equal to C, but here it is not the case. A is not equal to C. If the curves are intersecting, A is not equal to C according to the indifference curve. According to the theory, they should be parallel to each other, parallel moving upward. So any of the IC curve cannot intersect with each other. This much is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very much clear? बेटा किसी को कोई डाउट है? Two curves do not intersect में. One of the very important this, what do you say, very important characteristics of IC. A higher difference curve represents higher level of satisfaction, and that is what it is mapped. Higher IC, higher indifference, higher this thing, higher IC, okay, higher IC give you a high level of satisfaction. IC1, IC2. IC2 पे जो level of satisfaction consumer का is more than the IC1. Why? Because either he is consuming more of good Y or more of good X. IC3 पे इसका level of satisfaction will be still more. IC4 पे इसका level of satisfaction will be still more. Is it clear? So there are four very important points: higher IC, higher level of satisfaction; the IC never intersect. IC is a convex to the origin and IC is downward sloping. One more very important thing, two ICs will, IC will never touch x-axis and never touch y-axis. IC कभी भी याद रखना x एक्सिस को और y एक्सिस को टच नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि हम जो भी कमोडिटी ले रहे हैं वो कॉम्बिनेशंस में लेते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि हम पूरा एक ही पे स्पेंड करें और दूसरा कमोडिटी कंज्यूम ही ना करें. इज इट क्लियर बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
This much is clear to everybody. Now do you have any doubt still properties of IC? क्योंकि IC क्लियर हो जाएगा तो इसके बाद मैं मूव कर रही हूँ बजट लाइन, क्योंकि इंडिफरेंस कर्व में दो कंपोनेंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जहां पर कंज्यूमर अपने आप को इक्विलिब्रियम में लाता है. वो है एक उसका लेवल ऑफ सैटिस्फैक्शन और दूसरा उसका इनकम. अभी तक हम लेवल ऑफ सैटिस्फैक्शन के बारे में बात कर रहे थे IC1, IC2, IC3, IC4 करके, बट अब हम बात करेंगे उस सैटिस्फैक्शन को इनकम के साथ. मैंने कहा ना कंज्यूमर का क्या मतलब है कि he must get a higher level of satisfaction with his given income. तो हमने अभी तक हायर लेवल ऑफ सैटिस्फैक्शन पढ़ा, बट हमने इनकम के बारे में बात नहीं किया. अब हम इसके बाद जो दूसरा है वो है कंज्यूमर का बजट लाइन. क्या है कंज्यूमर का बजट लाइन? दिस इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड बजट लाइन, व्हिच आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग नाउ टुमारो, नॉट टुडे. बजट लाइन और इनकम लाइन और प्राइस लाइन, इसको हम ये बोलते हैं. ठीक है, ठीक है.
Yes.
इतना तुम लोगों को सबको क्लियर हुआ जो मैंने पढ़ाया अभी तक?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छे से. Manlat, when did you enter in my class? ठीक है, मस्ती कर रही हूँ, डोंट वरी. ओके, मनलाट समझ आया तुम्हें? चारों प्रॉपर्टी समझ आए? अच्छा. शीर्ष तुम्हें समझ आया बेबी अच्छे से? तुम्हारी स्माइल बहुत अच्छी है, कीप स्माइलिंग ऑलवेज. ओके. परिधि बंबानी, नंदना पिल्लाई हैज ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट. परिधि बंबानी.
Yes, ma'am.
खुशी लोहान, ऋतिका, दिव्या मडवानी.
Yes, ma'am.
देवांग गर्ग, देवांश गर्ग.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ आया बेटा जो मैंने आईसी पढ़ाया तुम लोग को? मुस्तान से.
Yes, ma'am.
प्रियल भट्ट, श्रुति, नमन कांकरिया, Vedant.
Yes, ma'am.
Vedant, you might be having bit confusion because it is a very new topic to you, I believe.
Yes, ma'am. It's
But जो आईसी के बारे में मैंने बताया वो समझ आया तुम्हें?
yeah, ma'am.
पक्का? पक्का?
मैम थोड़ा बहुत.
अच्छा, एक आईसी का एक प्रॉपर्टी बता दो, कौन सा है? एक प्रॉपर्टी, वन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ आईसी. There are 4 properties of IC. कौन कौन से हैं? One is IC is downward sloping, IC is convex to the origin, IC never intersect with each other, and higher IC gives higher level of satisfaction. Okay? बेटा आप लिखते जाओ जो मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ, सिर्फ सुनने से नहीं होगा. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Tomorrow I'll take a class now.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you. Paridhi, maintain the attendance, darling.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta.
Thank you,
God bless
ma'am.
all.
Thank you, ma'am.